bigger screen is bigger.
But let's go back to the XS. What is it, 1100?
The Max. The Max starts at $1099, which is
It
1100.
starts at 1099.
But remember, it goes from like, what? It goes from like 64.
64, 256, 512.
Half a terabyte in your goddamn.
Half a
And that was like about $1,400.
Half a
1450
terabyte.
actually.
Half a
There you go.
terabyte. And the other
I mean,
funny part is that they announced, what was it, the regular version, the budget
The 10R.
iPhone.
I don't know if it's a budget. Here's the
No,
thing,
it's not
though.
budget.
Wait, wait.
It's not budget by
It's
any
a great
means.
phone.
Right, but that's
Yeah,
how they're
that's
selling
gonna
it.
be.
It has
So
every
What was
thing
the-
it
what was
doesn't
the
have
price?
is the second camera.
$749.
$749.
right.
Well,
That-
yeah, the only thing they
$749
don't
is
have
the
is
lowest
second
price.
camera and 3D touch. It has everything else
Yeah.
the big boys have.
Big
And the
boys.
screen too.
I think-
But I mean, like, if you know anything about Apple, like, they make good LCD screens to begin with, so you're not gonna
Yeah.
really know the difference unless you already
The
have the
Samsung is an
X.
OLED king.
No, I
And
agree.
it's still bigger, 6.1, so you get a bigger screen.
That's the thing. Look, I agree with all that. I agree with everything about it. I just find it hilarious that now we could consider $750 the budget.
I mean,
No, I mean,
like-
it's not, but
But that's how they're selling it.
yeah, I mean, but when the SE came out, what was the price on the SE? Like
600?
it
I
was
think it was
like
600.
5, maybe 6 years.
Yeah, so it was $600 when the SE came out, and that was their budget phone, and that was a great phone. That was basically the the iPhone 6S in the 5 body,
Pretty
Yep.
much.
and it was an amazing
Pretty much.
phone.
Yep.
Like that phone when that came out, it's just like this phone. Everybody knocked it. They were talking about the big phone. That was their sellout phone.
Now-
They literally almost had to stop shipping because they ran out of production on that phone.
Now, here's a question I have specifically for you.
Dang.
Come on, he was the iPhone guy. You knew this question was coming.
I don't-
Would you jump back?
On the R, I would jump back on the R.
Wow.
I mean,
Really?
I'm not gonna pay a mortgage payment.
You heard that.
I'm not gonna pay the mortgage payment on a goddamn phone.
Yeah,
No, like
That's
you
the
know,
other part.
like I'm not paying that mortgage payment on a phone. The R though, it's
Ours, their sleeper hit.
that's just, like I guarantee you that's gonna sell out faster than the other two.
But the thing is, you gotta wait because the R don't come out
Till
It starts
October.
shipping till October.
Yeah,
Everybody else goes on sale like
21st.
yeah.
no,
And dude,
pre-orders.
you jump online right now. eBay people are selling their fucking 8Ss right now
Yeah.
for like dirt cheap,
Because they
like
want it.
$400 or $500.
But that's
'cause they wanna
we
go
were
after the big
expecting that.
ones.
That
Yeah.
happens every year. Every time.
But
they announce
imagine the screen, because if you ever had an 8 or S8 Plus, or 8 Plus, whatever it's called, like that whole screen, it had those big ass little bars. Not all that, even all the way to the very edge, is a fucking screen.
it. Right.
So like people are gonna want to go after that, and it's
Oh,
gonna be
the
nice.
excitement is there. Look
I
at
mean,
that.
excitement like
No, the R's.
The R is definitely the one.
R won
The
me over.
R is the
You know
one.
what? I
Fuck
think
all those other phones.
I have a
they should have
feeling.
started and that's what the R. Everybody would have
Yeah, I thought they was gonna forget about it because they was like going
Yeah.
all.
I personally think that this is definitely a conversation that we're gonna get back to once the R actually comes out.
Oh, yeah.
And see
Oh,
how much
sure.
of a frenzy that one's gonna be. Because remember, there's always a frenzy thing. So we're gonna see how the frenzy is when the first comes out this month,
Yeah.
and then when the R's come out next month. So I think that's gonna be an interesting one. Am I excited for it? I think we've gotten to that point where it's now minute details.
Yeah, it is my new detail.
You know what
The
I
only
mean?
thing
I really
that
think it's
excites
down
me
there.
about this though is that now they have the AI working the same way it was working on the Google Pixel.
Oh, for the Pixel.
So I want to
Those,
see.
like smart HDs.
So
Yeah.
I want to see if these cameras even if they compare to the Pixel, bro.
We'll see because Pixel 3 announcement next month.
Yeah,
I'll be there in New York
so-
City.
Yeah, that's gonna be. A
It's
good
gonna
one.
be
So
it's
we'll
gonna
see.
be interesting. There's a lot of
So you know
stuff.
what? It sounds like October's gonna be busy.